Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up and invite a friend to a Spotify jam session on an iPhone. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so basically, a jam session is a fun way for users to create a shared listening experience with their friends and loved ones. So whether you are free or premium user, you can join a jam with your friends using a link QR code, playing on the same speaker or tapping phones. So to start a jam session, just tap on the three dots or right click on a track or playlist. Tap start a jam, tap invite, and here you can share a QR code or tap share link and send it to your friends. This is how you do it on a computer. On a mobile phone, just tap this icon from the device you are playing on, or tap three dots from your favorite public playlist. Tap on start a jam, tap invite, and here you can share a QR code or tap share link and send it to your friends. You can also tap your phones together to get them to join the jam if you are logged in to your Spotify and your Bluetooth is turned on. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. By the way, there's a note: Spotify will automatically start a jam whether you are connecting to a smart speaker or most Bluetooth speakers. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.